Hey everyone! We're doing something a little bit different today in that we're reviewing another DIY tutorial. We're making a blanket ladder. I did not make this DIY up. It is brought to you by AngelaMarieMade, and I will link to her website below. I've been wanting something to display my crochet blankets for a while now, but most products are just too expensive. I found Angela's tutorial and it's simple and most importantly, inexpensive. Since this is a review, I'm not going to say any measurements since I didn't come up with this. If you'd like to make this yourself, and I think you should, then head on over to her website or YouTube and check it out. All I'm doing is cutting a couple of 1x3s to length as well as 2 dowel rods. Since the wood is a little wonky, I got out my electric planer to help make the wood a little more even. It also gave me a jump start on sanding. These are the most time-consuming and messy steps. I think what I like most about this tutorial was getting to use my spade drill bits. I've only used them in one other project, so it was fun to bust them out again. Make sure all your measurements line up correctly so that the dowels are even. This was easily the hardest part. After gluing the dowels into one side, I had to put the other side on from above, as you can see. This was difficult because the wood was wonky, and as soon as I hammered one side, the other would pop out. It took some doing, but I eventually got all the dowels into the holes and clamped the whole thing together to dry. Once it's dry, all that's left is to pick a stain color and get to it. You could also paint this to match your decor. I put one coat of stain on because I prefer all my stains to be on the lighter side and show off the graining. Last step is to put it where you want and add some blankets. All in all, Angela's tutorial was thorough and easy to follow. There are no complicated cuts or serious power tools required. She has come up with an effective way to make a large, low-profile blanket ladder for way cheaper than anything you'll find online. I plan to do more of her tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.